Hi there and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy smoked queso. You can make this on your pellet grill or you can make this on any smoker really. It's totally up to you. As far as pellets go for this recipe, I like to use a variety of pellets, so all different kinds, but you can use whichever you prefer. These are the ingredients you're going to need. 2 pounds of ground sausage, 1 diced onion, 2 pounds of Velveeta cheese cubed, 8 ounces of shredded Mexican cheese, 2 cans of Rotel, those are 15 ounces each, 1 cup of pickled jalapeno slices, those can be mild or hot, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, and a 1/3 cup of heavy cream, or you can use half and half too. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and preheat that smoker or pellet grill to 230 degrees Fahrenheit, and then just brown the sausage and onion in the skillet on medium-high heat. So that is what I'm doing here, and this takes about 10 minutes or so. So now after that is done, you're going to use either a cast iron skillet or an aluminum foil pan that can go on the smoker, and you'll go ahead and add that cubed Velveeta cheese right to that pan. So I'm using a cast iron skillet here, and then you're going to add all of the ingredients on top. So I've added the sausage and onion, and now I'm going to add the Rotel, cream, shredded cheese, garlic, and jalapenos. Now, as you can see here as I'm doing this, I skipped the jalapenos. Don't skip those if you really want it to be nice and spicy with a kick. I skipped them because our store only had hot, and I can't handle spicy foods. It's just not my thing. So I didn't want hot jalapenos in here, but by all means, if you like spicy, use hot jalapenos. So anyways, I have got this all done. Now I'm going to add this to the smoker. Now while it's cooking, it just doesn't look too great. But when it's done, it tastes great and your whole family will love it. It also feeds a crowd. So I've got this on the smoker, and you're going to cook it for 40 minutes at 230 degrees Fahrenheit. And then you just need to keep stirring it every 10 minutes or so. So this is great if you have something else smoking at the same time. We like to do this with taco night. It's a good one to add. So you really just keep stirring. That's the biggest key, is you have to keep stirring it. So once you've got the full 40 minutes, it will all come together and look like this easy smoked queso. So this is what it looks like when it's done. This is using an aluminum foil pan. You can use these, but you need to make sure to use a large one and a heavy duty one, not like a small cake pan. It won't fit in that. So be sure to use a good heavy duty aluminum pan or use a cast iron skillet, which is what we like to use. So we have got this all ready to serve, and it's perfect for football or parties or whatever you may have coming up. And it tastes great too, all right on your smoker or your pellet grill. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make this easy smoked queso. Be sure to find the full recipe over on mommyhatescooking.com. Like and subscribe to this channel so that you do not miss the next video. Thanks so much for joining in today.